road safety, National Road Safety Month every year jata. So we organize different programs and medical camp for especially for drivers and conductors and तुझे pilot, auto rickshaw drivers, in general public to check their diabetes, pressure, and eyes. So every taluka is being held in every taluka for the whole month. And also road safety talks in different schools, colleges, and institute आणि दिल्ली असं चालू असं.
ओके, रिस्पॉन्स कसो आसा तांचा?
Response is very good.
आयचो प्रोग्राम जावन असं आमचं वी एस ऑर्गनायझिंग अ रोड सेफ्टी मंथ चलता आमचा नॅशनल फ्रॉम 1 January to 31st. So with that regards we have organized this free medical checkup. आमचे बस ड्रायव्हर आहा, कंडक्टर आसा, मोटरसायकल पायलट्स आसा, ऑटो रिक्षा ड्रायव्हर आसा, तांकां सगळ्यांक मेडिकल कॅम्प ब्लड टेस्ट, शुगर टेस्टिंग आसा, मागीर प्रेशर टेस्टिंग जाता, ब्लड प्रेशर टेस्ट सगळें चॅक करून तांकां आमी कितें आहा तें सांगून तांकां दिता फाल्यां कितें करपाचें. दीस कॅम्प आमचे इट इज बीइंग हेल्ड इन अदर तालुकास गोवा ऑल्सो सगळी. आनी अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मेडिकल कॅम्प आमचे रोड सेफ्टी अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम्स आसा where we try to create awareness among the other road users, मागीर school students, colleges, even तुगेले industries and even hotels also effort आमी continue करता. And through this media I want to tell the public that road safety जी आसा subject should not end but it should be throughout सगळ्यांक, so that we आमचे मेन मोटिव कितें आसा रोड सेफ्टी एक्सिडेंट्स जे आसा ते कमी करपाचे आनी जाता तितल्यो we should save the lives which are lost on the road. So through this media I want to tell the public to please follow the rules and regulations of the road आणि मातशें रस्त्यार डिसिप्लीन मेंटेन करपाचें आनी सुरक्षा राखपाची.